Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're actually going to do autocross. Now, I got Cody behind me here and then Pierce back there as he's starting his car. How do I keep making friends with 370 owners? Like, I swear they're the weird ones. Anyways, my neighbors are about to hate me. We're gonna get on the road. We're heading about 2 hours up north to an autocross event that goes around a whole football stadium. But for now, it's cold start time. We're starving, so we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A, I think, get some gas, and I'll pick you guys up in a bit. Alright boys, the sun is just now coming up. We have the tires back there. We got the autocross tires and I got the other ones in Cody's car. And so yeah, we have about a 2-hour drive. Running on about 3 hours of sleep right now. Not the move, but I don't really have a choice because we're about to go out and haul some ass, hopefully.
Yeah.
Alright, you said you have something to show us. What do you have to show us?
So, being a ex-Chick-fil-A worker, you gotta know a little something. You can either do one or two. I do two because I'm fat as shit. Put them under there.
Excuse me, sir, your gas tank is open. Excuse me, sir, your gas tank is open. Excuse me, sir, your gas tank is open. Excuse me, sir, your gas tank was open. Excuse me, sir, your car is way too loud. I'm offended by it. I'm offended by your loud car. What? I can't hear you over your loud car. Are you excited? No, you're not excited? Why not?
Because I don't want to hang out with you.
Because you're gonna get waxed? Is that why? Bye-bye. And just like that, boys, we have arrived. You can see all the cars over there. So we gotta get these tires on and clean up some stuff, get the car emptied. I'm excited, boys. This is gonna be fun. We have the tires out. Now we just have to put them on the car. And just like that, boys, we have the wheels on. Working on the numbers right now. We've got a driver's meeting over there. So that's where I'm heading right now. And then we're hitting the track. So I gotta finish my numbers and I'm gonna catch you guys on GoPro here in just a little bit. All right, boys, we are pulling up to the line right now.
Just 63.122, that's 63.122.
Oh, spinning. Oh, I hit the windshield wipers. All right, boys, we're going out for just a little scout lap right now. We're not pushing anything right now, not going too hard, remembering that if you go too hard and hit a cone, it's slower. Getting a lot of wheel spin because it's really cold outside. Hope you guys can see. Not bad. A little oversteer. Drifting around the corner to the finish line.
FRS is Ryan Larkins.
What I run?
Ryan just turned a 61.66.
61, that is not good. We got the course down. Tires are just really slick right now. That was fun. We're gonna put the gloves on next time and then adjust tire pressures. And we'll be out going again here in just a second. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we adjusted tire pressure. I've also softened the coilovers front and back 2 clicks. And yeah, we're ready to go out for our second run. Hopefully it'll be a little better. I ran a 61. Here's the problem though. These tires I'm running are track tires, so they're really cold and you have to get them warmed up, and they hold temperature well on the track. But on autocross, you can't warm your tires up, you're just going. They're not amazing autocross tires, and they're also kind of old, so chances are probably not going to be too competitive today, but we're going to try our best. And oh, I need to get my gloves so I can look cool like a fast boy. No, they actually help though. My hands are sweaty. Oh, see, now I look like I know what I'm doing, but I don't.
RS3s.
Do what?
Are those RS3s?
Yeah, I bought them used off of a guy on Facebook.
Oh man, I haven't made them in a long time.
I know, I think they're kind of old and dry rotted, but
I love that tire.
really?
When it was new?
They're hard to warm up. I'm sliding everywhere on the course.
That's because they're old.
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta upgrade for sure here soon. Sweet. Even that guy was talking about how old my tires were. Trying to get these warmed up, dude.
5 seconds. How about it?
Oh, understeer, baby. Understeer. Lots of it. over, understeer again. 56. Ooh, adrenaline's pumping, boys. That was good. I'm happy with that. These tires scrub. I don't know why. What'd you run?
61. Ran a 56.
Yeah, and I'm still going slow. It's understeering like crazy. The oversteers got fixed, but well, that was better. 100%. That was what, 5 seconds faster? Now I just got to stay consistent. I'm gonna check the novice times real quick. Oh, I'm in second. A lot of people haven't done their second runs yet, and we're still getting a lot of understeer. So if I can get this understeer problem figured out, we may actually be competitive. Knock on wood. Cross my fingers. We're gonna try and fix this understeer problem. All right, boys, here's the deal. I'm currently sitting 5th in novice right now. I lowered the front coilovers 2 more clicks, and then I actually lowered the rear tire pressure to 29. I have the fronts at 30, the rears at 29. The rears were at 31, but I noticed that the rear tires had a lot of sidewall left to eat through. Maybe this will be a better run. Are you talking on the phone? Oh, what? That's scary. Hopefully with it getting warmer outside too, my tires will start to hold some heat. I've never done an autocross event on my coilovers and new setup. Like I have some aftermarket bushings and all that stuff, but every time I've done autocross I've been stock. So it is cool to see the difference, because I can definitely tell I'm a lot more, I wouldn't say confident, because right now I'm not very confident because I'm understeering on a lot of corners, but the car is just so planted and doesn't body roll at all, and it's awesome. Got the air conditioning off for that extra horse torques.
5 seconds.
Ooh, drifty boy. Hit my lines, full throttle. This might be fast, guys. 56.5. Yep, it's my best run, but not fast enough. Still just no grip, man. The car's got so much potential, and I'm just struggling with grip out here because my tires aren't meant for autocross. That was our 3rd run, so we're done now. I got to figure out this understeering problem. Maybe with it heating up, it'll be better. All right, boys, I know my hair is kind of crazy right now, but we're going to lunch right now. I think I'm sitting 4th right now, and then with everybody going, hopefully I'll be top 5. But trying to figure out these understeer issues, because they're really bugging me, but I really think it's just the tire compound and how old it is. But we're gonna go to lunch, and I'm gonna film some of our workstation for you guys and show you some of the cool cars out here, and then we're going for our 2nd run group of the day and see if we can pull out a trophy. So I'll catch you guys when we get back from lunch and we're working, because there's some really cool cars out here. This thing is sick. Yo, he's getting it. Alright guys, I think we got a Daytona kit car, but it's turbo. Oh my god, that's so sick. You can hear the turbo spooling. Oh, he crashed. Oh. Alrighty guys, we are going out for our 2nd run of the day. Hopefully we can do a little bit better. They're actually running the track backwards. I don't know if I said that or not, but they're running the track backwards compared to what we ran this morning. So we're gonna go out, do our best, and hopefully come out with some results. All right, boys, here we go. First run out. Let's see if we can get some better times. This backwards loop seems to be a lot faster. Anyways, goals for this run session. I want to commit to the car a lot more, because I think the car can go a lot faster. I'm just not committing to it, because I left a lot of room on the table the last couple runs, and so I guess we're just gonna try and send it now.
And you're ready to go anytime. Should be good.
55.4. That felt good. Second run, here we come. Still sitting in 8th place right now. 6th place is when you get a trophy because there's 37 people in novice class, which is crazy. Guys, anytime I can get competitive with driving, I take it way too seriously. So I'm kind of butthurt that I'm in 8th place right now. Something about racing, man, I just get so competitive. Having a good day though, guys. I'm really enjoying today. I haven't been autocrossing in a while. It's been a year or two. This Cayman sounds so good.
Damn, that thing's fast.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, that guy's running very fast times too.
it launches like a son of a gun. All right, whenever you're ready.
All right. Feeling good. Oh, understeer, understeer. Come on, grab, baby. Grab. Brake. Apex. Full throttle. Woo! Oversteer. Woo! 53.6. Let's go, baby. That was good. That was really good. I still have areas of improvement for the third and final run, but I'm happy. That was a 1.5 seconds faster than my first run. So very happy with that, and hopefully we can knock it down even more on the third one. All right, the sun's going down and we're about to go for our third and final run of the afternoon session. I'm trying to get top 6 if you guys haven't figured that out yet, because out of 37 people in novice, top 6 take away a trophy. And I'm corny like that and want the trophy. All right, boys, we're gonna leave it all out on the track. If we don't do as good as I want to, that's okay. Still had a good day, but we're gonna send it. As soon as Pierce goes in front of me, we're next. And this is gonna be our last run. Fingers crossed, we can top 6 in novice, get a little corny trophy. Oh my God, Pierce like dumped the clutch on that.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
I'm at it.
Rev limiter, dude. .2.7, let's go, baby! Yes, sir! Let's go! Yes! That is Ryan's best time of the day, they said. Yes, sir! I'm happy, baby. Well, even if I don't top 6, I'm happy with that run right there. I left it on the track. There was still some areas I could improve in. Like, I was hitting rev limiter down the slaloms, and I could have shifted up into third, and it probably would have gained me some time. But that was the first time I just sent it. And next time we come here, that's what we're gonna do from round 1. It was a successful day. I'm gonna turn off the GoPro. We're gonna go and let the cars cool down, and I'll pick you guys up on the vlog here in just 1 second. Check it, boys. I'm a trophy winner from 2020, apparently. We ended up having the fastest run time of novice for the afternoon session, which is cool. Ended up getting 4th, so I got this cool little trophy to take home. But yeah, I gotta change my wheels. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a fun time making it. Cody's changing my wheels. Pierce is still doing nothing.
Yeah, that's what I do best.
Everybody's leaving. We're about to be the last ones here, so we're gonna hit the road. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace. Oh my gosh. Oh no, that's not going in the video.